In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when Discord crashes unexpectedly. This can be a frustrating experience, especially if you're in the middle of a conversation or gaming. But don't worry, I'll guide you through some simple steps to help you get Discord back up and running in no time. First, we'll start by opening the Task Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC on your keyboard. The Task Manager is a handy tool that shows you all the applications and background processes currently running on your computer. This is where we need to go to identify any active Discord processes that might be causing issues. Once you're in the Task Manager, navigate to the Processes tab. Here you'll see a list of all the active applications. Scroll through to find any processes labeled as Discord. When you find them, click on each one and select End Task at the bottom right corner of the window. Ending these tasks will stop Discord from running and can help resolve any temporary glitches. After you've ended the tasks related to Discord, it's a good idea to restart your PC. Restarting your computer is often an effective way to clear minor glitches and refresh your system. Once your PC has restarted, we'll perform a few more steps to ensure a clean slate for Discord. Next, press the Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the field, type %appdata% and press Enter. This command takes you to the roaming folder, which contains various system data files. In this folder, locate the Discord folder and delete it. Removing this folder helps clear out any corrupted or outdated files that might be causing the crash. With the Discord folder deleted, the next step is to uninstall Discord from your system. To do this, open the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs, or Apps and Features. Once here, find Discord in the list of installed applications. Click on it and choose to uninstall. This ensures that all the program files are thoroughly removed from your computer. Having removed Discord, head over to the official Discord website to download the latest version. Make sure you get the installer directly from the official source to avoid any potential security risks. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts to reinstall Discord on your system. Finally, after the reinstallation is complete, or even if you've just cleared the cache, it's helpful to run Discord as an administrator. Right-click on the Discord icon on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. This grants Discord the permissions it needs to function correctly, potentially avoiding any further crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Discord crashing problem swiftly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.